The role of CAD/CAM, that is computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, in modern mold design is crucial for enhancing precision, efficiency, and innovation in manufacturing processes. So for precision and accuracy, CAD allows mold designers to create detailed, accurate 3D models of the molds, ensuring exact specifications. This helps in minimizing errors and optimizes the fit and function of the mold components. For handling complex geometry, CAD/CAM systems, they assist in managing complex shapes and intricate geometries that are difficult to produce using traditional methods. This allows manufacturers to create more advanced and efficient mold designs. So CAD/CAM also helps in cost and waste reduction by improving design accuracy and automating manufacturing processes. It minimizes material waste and reduces production costs. It also allows for more efficient tool paths and optimized machine usage. CAD/CAM tools allow mold designers to quickly adapt and customize mold designs based on client needs, market trends, or product modifications. It plays a pivotal role in ensuring competitive, high quality, and reliable mold production.